Hi, I'm Simon from Gadget, and today I want to talk to you about one of the control functions that comes with our AquaClean Mera CARE toilet. The touch panel, or formerly known as the Opto remote, is one of our easy to use controls. It's a very simple control that we can place on the wall at whatever height or position required by the user. And to make the toilet flush, wash and dry is as simple as touching or wafting your hand by it once. This will trigger the flush, which is automatic. It will then give you a 55-second wash with nice warm water, and then it will automatically go into the drying process. When you feel you're happy and dry, you simply touch or waft your hand past one more time, and the whole process will stop. To pair the Opto remote to the toilet is quite straightforward. We simply place our finger over the word Gadget at the same time as pressing the up button on the side of the toilet, and we press and hold both for around 10 to 15 seconds. We wait for the little flashing red light to appear once, and then we let go. Once you've linked the remote, you get your backing plate, which is double-sided adhesives. We connect it to the touch sensor, and then we can position it on the wall at the height and position required. Many thanks for watching. Take care.